Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Power of Spirituality. In this video we'll talk about why you should only focus on what you need to do as a duty without expecting any results in return. My name is Ankit Verma, and since my recovery from brain tumor 3 years ago, I am on a spiritual path. And my motive behind this channel is to convey my spiritual learnings to everyone on this path so that they can also benefit from the same. In our life, we often feel unhappy because life is not happening our way. Try to read between the lines. Life is not happening our way. We are expecting to control life, and this is where all the problems start. Let's take a simple example to understand this in detail. Let's say you are trying to teach your children how to behave. Now, I'm not saying that you expecting them to behave in a certain way is wrong. You might be right in teaching them, but despite your best efforts, they do not follow your advice and you become unhappy. Now look deeper in the past at the point of time when you started teaching them how to behave. Try to find out the underlying expectation on why you wanted them to behave in that way in the first place. Was the underlying expectation that they will start following your advice and things will be great? Or was it like you were looking for some sense of internal achievement in making them behave in a certain way? Or you were just hoping to have better name in the society as a parent because your children are well behaved? This underlying unfulfilled expectation is the root cause of your unhappiness. Now I know it may be hard to understand it first, but let's again look deeper in the past to the point when you started teaching your children. Just visualize that you have no expectation at that time. You do not even expect that your children will follow your advice. Instead, you are teaching them because you consider that your duty. You expect nothing in return, not even the satisfaction that you did your job well. Nothing. Rest is up to your children to follow. With that in mind, let's come back to the present where children are not following your advice, still not following your advice. You will notice that you do not feel frustrated or unhappy anymore. Instead, you will get the energy to get up again and educate your children. I'm sure you will realize now that your duty ends when you tell your children what to do and what not to do. What they choose to do with your advice is their own destiny, and you do not feel the need to be unhappy as none of your expectations are met. You can see similar examples in other areas of your life. Not only with human beings, with situations as well. Suppose an unpleasant situation gives you anxiety or makes you unhappy. Look deeper at the point where you first came across that situation. What was your expectation when you first encountered the situation? Were you expecting the situation to go away and so on? Or expecting someone to jump in and help you out? Once you realize the initial expectation, the root expectation, you will realize that it was wrong to have that expectation in the first place. Then you can work on yourself. Maybe face that situation on as your duty and be happy. One final word of advice. The sooner we stop trying to expect that we can control people and situations around us, the sooner we will realize that life is a roller coaster and the best you can do is enjoy the ride. With this realization, you will start being happy and at ease with everyone and everything that comes into your life. I have found this technique from the Hindu religious book Bhagavad Gita. I recommend you to read that book as it also contains many similar great techniques that can help you in day-to-day life. With this, we come to an end of the video. Please let me know your views and queries in the comment section below. And thank you for taking this journey with me. My aim is to change 100 lives this year. Please be a part of this mission. and share this video with everyone whom you think can benefit from it. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you stay updated of any upcoming videos. May you have all the peace, abundance, love and happiness in your life. Thank you.